guys, it's Obby Bobley here, and I'm really happy because this is my first video. And anyway, please like and subscribe to this video. Anyway, today I am playing on Roblox. Well, obviously Roblox. Anyway, the game I'm playing on Roblox is called The Floor is Lava or something. Oops, that's my intro. Anyway, the point, you probably played this in real life before. Anyway, the point of this game is that you like pretend lava in real life, but in the point of this game is it'll say 3, 2, 1, the floor is lava or something, or you'll see the lava coming in this game. You have to go on a very high object to get away from. Oh man, I got smashed by the lava. Anyway, you have to go on the highest thing before you get ran over by the lava. Anyway, okay, so let's get started with this game. I'm gonna get the hamburger. I don't really see what it says when I pull out the burger. Does it say I got cheeseburger too? I don't really know. Anyway, nobody survived. Anyway, let's just get started. Okay, so basically I actually have more YouTube, I got more YouTube channels than just this, so please subscribe, and I'll put in the description, I'll put a link down to go. Oh no, oh god, no, oh god, no. Anyway, on the description, I'll put a link of my other YouTuber channels, down there, and then you could just click it, and please subscribe to my other ones and this one. This one is recently new, but I am not new to YouTube. But this is my newest channel. Anyway, so but anyway, this game is, I don't know what I was gonna say. Anyway, we're playing 2 games today. It's the floor is lava, maybe even 3 or 4 if I have time. Anyway, so I'm gonna go on to the next game. It's an Obby, okay? So let me just pause for now. Okay, so this is the next game we're playing. Right now, because I just got out of the other game. Anyway, escape the laundromat Obby by polarized YouTube. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, that's in my way. Okay, so I played this before, okay? This Obby is really fun and all, but sometimes you guys may not get it, because this might be your first time playing this Obby, but it's actually really fun and easy. We just need to get past this part. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, I made it to level 7, and the rest of the people are on level 7, because this one is actually pretty hard. Okay, so you just have to go on the right timing, and it gets a little quicker and quicker and quicker. Ah, darn it. Okay, this level is medium for me, because I played this before, so, and all these other people are the way. Oh, God. Okay, so you just have to go to the right timing. Okay, I can do this. One time I passed it, just without dying. Okay, so right timing. Darn it, that's so close. Anyway, so, yeah. Guys, we have made it. Wait, what? Okay, we have made it. Finally, we have made it. I just paused the video so that you guys wouldn't have to keep on seeing me over and over again, but usually it's hard for me to concentrate since this computer is laptop is pretty small. And if it was big, I wouldn't die at all in this whole Obby if the was bigger anyway. Oh my god. Anyway, so we passed in, the rest of people are and I'm in the lead. I like it when I'm in the lead. No other people to distract me or get in my way, because there are a few fat block bot. No, there are. Look, that's just the original. Okay, so you guys may think that we have to go on the shirt and then bounce onto there and then go there and then go there, and we'll have to try to go here, but that is not how we do it. I just discovered that is not how you do it, because if you guys do it, it's pretty hard to go up there anyway, but it would somehow, because I got confused and I went up there and then I went on that spawn, but it's actually it's trying to, it's trying to like confuse you, but that's actually not how you do it. Plus if you go on that spawn, it will not let you it won't make you go on to the next level. So I know that you can't go in here, but you have to go in here, okay? See? You have to go in here. Okay, so now let's just go over here and go on that shirt. Okay, and buttons. Okay, this is pretty easy. Okay, there and there. Anyway, okay, so more clothing to bounce on. Yay, more clothing. I'm being sarcastic. I don't want to jump on dirty clothes anyway. Let's just go over there. Oh, that guy finally made it to level 8. Yeah, it's pretty hard. One time I was stuck on level 7, and as the only person on level 7, because it was so hard, I was like very confused. Okay, this is the part where you go, see, that's why you do not jump over there. Okay, okay. Wait, I think I've, okay, wait, don't leave just yet. This is actually, since I played this before, I kind of know what it is. I just need to, get the hang of it and remember where it is, but, okay, I think I don't think we go here. Yeah, we don't. Okay, wait, we don't go there, okay, we don't go there either. Come on, please don't, crap, please don't. Please, I hope I didn't forget where it was. God damn it. Okay, do we go over here? I forget this game. And I just played it later okay, there's the exit. There it is. Okay. I was gonna be like, what the heck? I played this earlier today and passed it. Okay, damn it. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna pause. Okay, guys, we have made it to the laundry pit. Okay, so we'll go up here. And oh no, we need a hammer for this vent. Oh no, there's no one who knows where the hammer is, but I do. Okay, so you just have to do this. There's the hammer, and you have to click it. Okay, okay, so now we just jump. Okay, wait. Come on. Okay, there. Let's try to keep the hammer. I just like the hammer a lot. Oh no. Okay. Okay, we have made it. Finally, I lived with the hammer, because usually when I open the vents and then first I die and then I don't have the hammer. I like the hammer. I just like it. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, this is actually pretty hard. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, good. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Just when I said I could live with the hammer. Oh, no. Oh, stupid iron. Seriously. Oh, no. Okay, good. I want my hammer back. Oh no. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, this is actually this is actually pretty hard. Okay, so you just go right here and then you just do that. Okay, there we go. Okay, because that's like literally impossible to like make it past that. Oh yeah, we go here. Forgot that again. Okay. Oh yeah, there's this ladder. Okay, this is pretty easy. Okay, and then we go over here. Okay, so there's these cars, so we just have to wait. And then there. Okay, guys, we have made it. I can't really find the golden badge for it, so... Wait, that's a different obby. That's a different obby. Wait. Hey, wanna rob a bank? Not now. I'm just gonna do one more game before we leave here. Jailbreak, everyone's most favorite game. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a secret and Jailbreak. The reason why I look for and haven't played this before, well, Jailbreak is all my money is on my other account. Okay, so you'll want to go over here. Where's that place again? Come on, we need to hurry. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna sprint. Okay, so it says under construction. We're just gonna go here anyway. So if you want to escape, we're gonna have to explode the wall. Hold E on computer, or if you're on your phone, just press that with your finger or whatever. Okay, so we have. Oh, darn it! Darn it! Darn it! Go! 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 Darn it! Oh my God! Okay, so we're just gonna have to re-explode it again. Okay, so. There we go, 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 go. Okay, so that's how we escape on Jailbreak. Thank you guys for watching, and take it to my outro.